Okay, this concept is very important, children. So we are going to learn the topic of trigonometry. In this I am going to explain you trigonometry, ratios, functions, what are functions of trigonometry, formulas, and trigonometric table, and so on. Okay, coming to this topic is discovered by discovered by who discovered by the scientist, the mathematician Hipparchus. Hipparchus. Okay, he's discovered the topic concept of trigonometry. Okay, in this trigonometry concept we deal with the study of relationship between the relationship between the sides and angles. Okay, what we deal with sides and angles of which triangle, right angled triangle we are going to see in this chapter. Okay, only we have to deal with sides and angles of right angle triangle. Okay, in this video I am going to explain the basics of trigonometric concept like ratios, functions, and formulas, table. Okay, like this we are going to learn in this video. Okay, we know already the trigonometry is dealing with relationship between sides and angles. Okay, these trigonometry are basically in two types are trigonometries are there, like branches. First is plane trigonometry. Going to the topic, we have to know the important points of trigonometric chapter. Okay, trigonometry, plane trigonometry, and spherical trigonometry. Okay, spherical trigonometry is there, two types of trigonometry. Okay, first coming to the topic, in this we have trigonometric ratios. Okay, what is trigonometric ratios I am going to show here. Trigonometric ratios, what is this? Trigonometric ratios are deals with sine, cosine, and tangent. These three important, okay, ratios are in trigonometric chapter. These ratios are also called as what? Trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions we also call the trigonometric functions. These ratios, sine, cosine, tangent, are also called the trigonometric functions. Okay, this sine, cosine, sine is sine, cosine, tangent functions are also abbreviated as what we use as in this trigonometric chapter. We use abbreviated form, that is sine, cos, and tan. Okay, for sine we use it as sine, abbreviated as sine. Cosine we call it as cos. Tangent, tan. Okay, these are three important functions. Let us see how these functions are evaluated in. Let us see these functions evaluated in case of right angle triangle. See, if we have given right angle triangle like this, okay, like this, it is right angle triangle. This is 90 degrees angle, right angle, and this is the opposite side, and this is adjacent side, we call it adjacent side, and this is what longest side, we call it as hypotenuse. Okay, this longest side is called hypotenuse. Okay, consider this right angle triangle where the longest side is called hypotenuse, and this is the opposite side of hypotenuse, and this is the adjacent side. Okay, based on this triangle we will write the sine, cosine and tangent relationships. Okay, how we will write the tangent? Six important formulas in based on this right angle triangle. We have six important formulas, that is functions, that is sine, cosine and tangent and relationship. This table is very important. So if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe for watching my videos. Okay, watch my complete video so that you can understand the concept of trigonometry very well. Okay, first one is sine. This can be abbreviated as sine. Okay, and this is in relationship of this right angle triangle. We write it, we evaluate this sine angle in opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, that is opposite side by sine angle is given by cosine, that is cos, we will abbreviate it as cos, and this is given as adjacent side by hypotenuse. From figure it is very easy to understand hypotenuse. Okay, now third one is tangent. Tangent function, that is this is cosine function, sine function, and this is tangent, we call it as tan. Okay, tan is written as sine by cos, that is sine by cos means opposite side hypotenuse, hypotenuse, hypotenuse cancel, we get opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, we'll make like lines to understand very clearly. Now sixth one is, see here, now we have another functions, they are cotangent function, that call it as cot, we abbreviate it as cot. Cos by sine means tangent, cotangent means cot, we call it as cot. In using the relationship we use it as cos by sine. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse, by opposite side by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse get cancelled, we get adjacent side by opposite side. We use this in problems. Okay, so make sure that we have to remember this trigonometric relationship table for doing problems. Okay, without doing this table, remember this table, we can't do any problem easily. Next, cotangent, after that we have secant function, that we call it as sec. This is written as 1 by cos, means 1 by cos means what we have, cos means adjacent by hypotenuse, 1 by adjacent side by hypotenuse means hypotenuse comes to numerator, hypotenuse by adjacent side goes to denominator. Okay, this is hypotenuse by adjacent. Now last one, that is cosecant function, we call it as cosec. Okay, this is 1 by sine. 1 by sine. So 1 by sine means sine is opposite side by hypotenuse. Then 1 by means hypotenuse comes to numerator. Then this becomes denominator. Opposite side comes to denominator. So this is the ratios or functions. We call it as ratios or functions of trigonometry. Trigonometry functions or ratios. Okay, this is the now these are important formulas. Based on this we can do so many problems from your textbook. Okay, worksheets. Now what is even and odd trigonometric functions and what is the trigonometric table? Okay, now even and odd functions of trigonometric, that is f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. This is odd trigonometric function. We get minus f of minus x, f of x, we get f of x. When we have even trigonometric function, this will be covered in your concept of trigonometry. When any functions are given, based on these functions we have sine, cos, tangent and 6 functions that can be written as sine of minus x equal to minus sine x. And this table is also very important, even and odd functions of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. This can be written as like this: cos of minus x. Okay, what is this? Cos of minus x and tan of minus x. Okay, cot of minus x, sec of minus x, cosec of minus x. What you will get if any function is in this form? Then cos of minus x we get cos x, tan of minus x we get tan of x, and cot of minus x we get minus cot x. Sec means we get positive x, cosec means we get negative. Okay, like this. This is another important table to remember in trigonometric chapter. Okay, now another important table, that is trigonometric table. Now I am going to explain you trigonometric table. Very important, children, to remember. So please note down this table. I am easy trick I am going to explain you to remember this. Okay, angles here and what 0 degree angle, 30 degrees angle, 45 degrees angle and 60 degrees and 90 degrees. These are the angles I am here we have in the trigonometric table. Okay, let us start from 6 basic functions I have explained you here: sine, cos, tan, cot and cosec, sec. Sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Okay, these are the 6 important formulas we have to angles. Okay, we have to remember in chapter to do so many problems. Very easy trick I am showing here. Please focus in this table. Okay, in this video I am going to show this table. Okay, so see here, angle 0 degrees means sin theta we get 0. Start from 0 and write down 1 for 30, 1 by 2 for 45, 1 by root 2 for 60, and 90. 0, 45, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, this one. Okay, sorry. First of all, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, and this is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2, sorry. By mistake. Root 3 by 2, this one, and this is 1. Okay, this we have to remember. First of all, from table we have to first remember sin theta values. 0, 1 by 2, get root 2, and then increase the value root 3 by 2 and 1. Okay, now reverse of sin theta we have to write down. Okay, reverse of sin theta. Okay, take this 1 to here, 1, root 3 by 2 here, and 1 by root 2 same only, and 1 by 2 and 0 here. Come from reverse sides to this side. Okay, right side to left side we have to take the angles. Okay, for 0, 1 by 2, see 1 by 2, 1 by root 2 as it is, root 3 by 2 and 1, like this. Tan theta means what? Sin by cos. 0 by 1, that is 0. Okay, sin theta by cos theta, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 cancel, what we get? 1 by root 3. Now 1 by 2 by 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. Root 2 cancel, we get 1. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 cancel, we get root 3. Here 1 by 0, that is infinity. Okay, now cot theta. Cot theta means cos by sine, means 1 by 0, that is how much? Infinity. We have to write this from like this way, reverse. We have written this sine cos reverse order, no, like that only. Tan theta values we have to like, we don't want to, okay, we don't want to discuss any more about this sine by cos by sine values. Okay, we have to write reverse values. Infinity, write down here root 3 and 1 here, and 1 by root 3 here, 1 by root 3. Now 0 here, left one. Okay, this part and this part very important. First of all, we have to write first line, we get all the values line by line. Okay, for 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Then reverse of this we get cos theta. Then sin theta, cos theta evaluated. Then tan theta is very easy. Sin by cos, sin by cos, sin by cos, we get the values. If tan theta is come over completed, then cot theta is very easy. Reverse of sin theta, infinity, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. That's all. Now sec means what? 1 by cos theta. Means we have to only remember sin theta values. Okay, then we get all values 1 by 1. 1 by cos means 1 by 1 means 1. 1 by root 3 by 2 means 2 by root 3, reverse 2 by root 3. Numerator becomes denominator and denominator comes to numerator. 1 by root 2 means root 2. 1 by 2 means 2. 1 by 0, that is infinity. Okay, this is also same reverse of this one. Okay, cosec we have to write the reverse of sec. Take this infinity to this side, 2 to this side, and root 2, 2 by root 3 and 1. That's all, very easy. Okay, First one sin theta we have to write, we get cos theta, reverse of sin. Tan theta we have to evaluate from sin by cos, then reverse of tan we write cot. Sec theta we have to write 1 by cos, 1 by cos, 1 by cos, we get the values. Then reverse of sec we get cosec values. Okay, I have drawn a light arrow here to write the next line, reverse of the line, reverse of values. Okay, this line is reverse of this line, and this line is reverse in this line, and is reverse in this line. So this is depend on this one, and this is depend on this one, and this is depend on this one. Okay, like this we have to remember the trigonometric table. Very easy trick to remember, children. Please watch complete video to remember the tricks of trigonometric functions, ratios or table. Okay, what is, who discovered trigonometry? First of all, we have to know who. Hyperchoose discovered the relationship between sides and angles and discovered the concept of trigonometry. Okay, we deal with sine, cosine, tangent functions, and this is relationship table. Please watch complete video so that you can understand the trigonometric table, angles of trigonometry. Very easy to understand this table, children. Please go through this video completely. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.